to observe and analyze what the picture trying to emphasize. And after your analyzation and observation, you will give your ideas or interpretation about the picture. Okay, done? Okay. Based on the picture that you have seen, what is the picture trying to emphasize? Anyone can give his or her idea? Yes, Jeremy.
Okay, ma'am. Of what I observed in the picture, I see many people who are gathering and helping each other, and I am so familiar with with the one picture that the people carry a house.
Yes.
Yes, that what we call a bayanihan, ma'am.
Yes, of course. Very good, Jeremy. Okay, that's great. Correct. Okay. Anyone? Yes, Denisa. Based on the picture, what you will see?
Based on the picture, ma'am, I see that there are lots of people who is gathering around and uh, cooking, cooking some foods. I think uh, they are gathering for a birthday party or uh, traditional gathering. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Denisa. All of your answers are correct. Okay, based on the activity that we have done, do you have any idea about the title of our topic for this afternoon?
Yes, it's Philippine values.
Philippine values. It's related to that. Anyone? Okay, surface values. So in this afternoon, our topic is all about the accommodative surface values. What does accommodative surface values mean? Before that, can you read first our objectives?
Identify the different kind of accommodative surface values. Appreciate the importance of accommodative surface values through practicing it. Choose the accommodative surface value and perform it in the prompt.
Okay, 21. Now let's proceed to our topic. Accommodative surface values. It refers to the norms and actions that emphasizes the importance of preserving a peaceful atmosphere, fostering a positive relationship, and ensuring social unity within the Filipino community. When you say accommodative surface values, these are the values that we Filipinos have. It is passed from generation to another generation. It serves as our cultures and traditions of the Filipino values. So we have here the kinds of accommodative surface values. We have the first one, shame, or what we call biya. It is often translated as shame or embarrassment, has often received ambivalent or negative interpretation. When we say shame, it is one of the values of the Filipinos. It is with us Filipinos to feel shame, especially if we feel that we're not belong in this kind of group, we will not belong in this circle of friends. Have you ever experienced shame or the value of shame? Yes? How about you, Denisa? Have you ever experienced the value of shame?
Uh, yes, ma'am, I have experienced the value of shame since I am back at my studies. I experienced that because I have lot of tattoos and whenever the person is looking at me, I feel like I'm in a prison. That I am in a prison because I have lot of tattoos. There are, I think, an education student, I see two students of tattoos. So every time I see the person who is looking at me, I feel that kind of validation.
Okay, thank you, Denisa, for sharing. Of course, shame, we cannot avoid the value of shame because it is with us Filipinos. Since we are a human, of course, we experience values. So another is we have the bayanihan. Bayanihan refers to a traditional practice in Philippine culture where members of the community come together to help one another. As what we have seen here in the picture, there are people lifting the house to move to another place. Of course, we Filipinos, it is innate to us that we cooperate, we unite together to have a great performance or outcome of our actions. Of course, there are people who needs help. Of course, we are helping them, diba? Dili na na siya wala sa ato because we Filipinos are known for being cooperate to other people, for being a helping people. Of course, when you say bayanihan, it embodies the spirit of communal unity and cooperation of one another. Without expecting any reward or without expecting any return to it. Okay. So we have the third one, we have the reciprocity or what we call the utang na loob. It is the concept of mutual obligation and indebtedness where acts of kindness and or assistance create moral obligation to repay or reciprocate the gesture. So of course, we Filipinos, if there are people that kind to us, of course we repay the same gesture that they did to us. Diba? If I am kind to you, you should be kind to me too. Diba? Have you ever experienced that kind? Or one example of reciprocity is in our family, our parents. Our parents are the one, or our parents is one of the reasons why we are here in school, why we experience sadness and happiness. That's why in return of their kindness, in return of their patience and unconditional love to us, we need to finish college in order for them to be proud of us. Diba? Have you ever experienced this kind of values? How about you, Shane? Have you ever experienced this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in what way?
When go back on I was in elementary, my friends is giving me my different baon or money. So when I have my own money too, so I always share and give if I have too much money.
Okay, thank you, Shane. Of course, we Filipinos, whatever the gestures that is did to us, of course, we repay for it. We repay the same gesture they did. We have another one of kind of accommodative is the smooth interpersonal relationship. It refers to the ability of an individual to establish and maintain harmonious relationship with others. Of course, as what Sir Tabay always said to us, diba? We, human beings, we are going to interact with other people. Because no one is an island, diba? We cannot stand by our own. We cannot provide by our own only. That's why we need to interact with other people. We need to interact, or we need to have a harmonious relationship with other people. That is smooth interpersonal relationship. Okay, the last one we have hospitality. It refers to warm and welcoming nature of the Filipino people towards their guests. Of course, we Filipinos are being accommodative surface values and perform it in time. I'll give you 10 minutes to do that activity. Now can you count out 1, 2?
1,
2, 1. Okay, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. You can now proceed.
shameless, shameful. Shame.
Dili ka lang kaha, mamuta. Dili ka lang mamuta. Tawad-tawad.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, please, let's proceed to the group 1.
Umaga na internet.
Kunti
Ay,
na lang.
pinsan! Napag-iray ko ah. Yung pala yun.
Sarap.
Yung
Sarap.
gas. Kumpong ay, may tapos.
Yes, Ate!
Wala, pre.
Lagyan mo ano,
Wala,
ito.
ay, kasi wala.
Lagyan mo doon. Kapag kaya mo, sa lamisa. Ito, lagyan mo sa lamisa. Pati na lang yung cake. Lagyan mo sa lamisa.
Spaghetti. Meron din doon. Sige, pre.
Ilagay mo itong spaghetti sa lamisa ulit. Yan, okay. Kain na tayo? Uy, uy.
Ay, sasawali ko lang yung... Isinawali ko lang. Sa akin.
Okay.
Isasawali ko lang. Salamat.
Ano, kain muna tayo. Halika, halika. Kain muna tayo.
Salamat, salamat.
Kain na tayo, kain muna tayo. Mira, mita, wak. Ano ba naman kasi Kurt? Hindi ba ano ng kukuhan?
Kasi, hindi ko kayo tapos.
Ay, sino yung bisita? Kainin mo na marami. Ano ba kulang dyan ko? Hindi ka lang kinuha mo. Kulang pa naman dun sa kabilang kanto.
At may ano ba eh?
Go. Utayin mo.
Mamaitin ko tayo.
Oh my God.
Ay, ubus mo. Ubus mo.
Ay, meron. Sorry.
Yung
Meron
lechon.
sa mga taga-sito. Okay. Sis, ano ba sila bigla?
Yung lechon.
Ah, lechon! Meron ako kagabi ko na yung lechon! Meron ako lechon kinabigay kagabi. Isang ano na lang, isang slice. Okay,
Salamat. Sasabi lang sana ako ng
Ay,
lapis.
kumain ka na ako pati ihog.
So, yun lang po. Yun po. Wala mo, wala lapis.
We also know that your system 1 and this is grade 1 is your performance of
Okay, so, everyone, that's our role play about hospitality, and as we all know, hospitality is one of the values that is deeply ingrained in our culture. So, yun nga, pinagkita namin sa aming role play na yung intense na hospitality sa ating mga Pilipino. So, yun lang po, ma'am.
Thank you. Now let's proceed with our
Pwede na mag-drama. Ano, wait, sinabi mo dito. May ako, here. Wait.
Sir. Hi, friend.
Oh, hi friend!
How are you?
I'm okay, but how about you?
Well, I'm not okay.
Why?
I have this problem.
What's the problem?
Maybe you can help me.
What can I help you?
I was planning to apply in a prestigious modeling company. I want to work there because their salary is big. Maybe you can help me in the payment of requirements.
Oh, how many? And how much do you need?
Maybe 1.5 million.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
it's so very terrible.
Because it is a very big company. And I promise, as the time I receive my salary, I will pay you. Promise.
I don't cheat.
How much?
1.5 million.
But you promised
is
I
made.
promise I will pay you back. Soon. Okay. Thank you so much, friend. I will see this as a big debt of mine.
Don't
Thank
worry,
you.
just pay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Here are my requirements for the job.
Did you bring the amount that I sent you?
Yes, ma'am, of course. Okay. Here it is.
Okay, I'm going to call you one day, so be updated, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, hello. Who's this?
This is the company video.
Oh, hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
We inform you, Mr. Gatsan, that you're hired.
Wow.
Okay, so meet your requirements and good luck.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay.
Go.
Hey, friend.
Oh, hey friend!
I have good news for you.
What's that?
I was already hired, and I have the payment for them.
Oh, congratulations!
Yes, thank you. Thank you also from you.
Oh,
So that's the whole payment with additional interest.
thank you so much.
So that's it.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So the short play that we played is all about utang na loob, or what do you call this one? Reciprocity. So in this generation, reciprocity is very important, especially if other people are helping you when it turns on your sorrowful days. So as much as possible, as individual, if you have something that bigger or much things that it's not necessary, so it's better to give payback to those person that give you things early.
Okay, thank you, Bruce. As what you have seen in your performance, I see that you really understand what is atmospheric surface values. Okay, now let's proceed to the equation of values. Okay, I have two questions. Number one question is, why did you choose that kind of accommodative surface values? Group 1, why did you choose the why did you choose hospitality?
So we choose hospitalities because hospitality is common values here in the Philippines. And we think that hospitality would be suitable for us to perform or to perform.
Okay, thank you, Alfred. Now the second question is, how did you come up or what strategy did you use to finish the task? Group 2, how about you? Yes, and then.
Wait, ma'am, what is the question again?
What strategy did you use to finish the task that I have given?
Well, the strategy that we have applied now is being wise. Because we come up with an idea of choosing because most of the Filipinos, and not most, but maybe several Filipinos doesn't know how to pay back, especially like utang sa loan, like that. Some Filipinos doesn't pay their debts. That's why we decided to emphasize or to act that certain value, that so that some of our classmates will realize the value of paying back our debts. And that's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jensen. Okay, that is all about for this topic this afternoon. For our generalization, I need one volunteer to generalize about our discussion this afternoon. Here's Shane. Can you please stand up? Can you please generalize what a topic is happening? Or how does it important a topic is happening?
Okay, so our topic in this afternoon is all about cumulative service values. It's talk about different Filipino values that a while ago we performed just like in role play. So one of the example of that is hospitality, reciprocity, being bayanihan in a certain place or a thing. And for me, it's very important that we imply cumulative service values in order to gain understanding, and it always it gives us understanding in order to guide when we are going to um, do such thing in the future. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Shane. Okay. For your assignment, you will research more about the quantitative surface values because there are a lot of quantitative values or accumulative surface values. I just give 5 examples or kinds of accumulative surface values. You will search about a kinds of accumulative surface values and you will study it. Okay, that will be all. Thank you.